I'm going to have relatively minimal talking in this video. You're more or less just going to see how well this stuff does. Let's open this up. This is now open. Microfiber cloth, solution, and the brush. Throw the desiccant away. A little much. So I'll show you guys what the shoes look like. They both look about the same. These are Suede. Actually, some of my favorite sneakers.
Finishing touches.
Just to let it dry, show you guys the end results. Forgot to mention that's warm water. But now we'll just go over it with the microfiber cloth. I'll wipe off any excess. And it says to let them dry overnight. So here's the end results. Honestly, I like how it came out. This is a very inexpensive shoe cleaning kit, and instead of using the little bristles on this, the bristle brush, what I'm gonna do is I have a drill attachment that has these little brushes on it, and it just spins, and it might actually get a better clean using it on the soles. I wouldn't use it on the suede or the material or anything of the shoe, but just the rubber parts. But of course, you can prevent your shoes from looking like this from just by doing this more often than I have. I've had these shoes almost 3 years, and other than putting the protection spray on them about 6 months into ownership, I haven't really cleaned them at all. So I would say that all in all, they came out really good. Definitely happy with the results of this kit. And of course, we got some random cattage. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.